Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new service that I added on my website. The service name is Compress Raw HTML. So with the help of this service you will be able to compress any sort of HTML code, and this is the interface of the tool here. The link is there inside the video description, so you can see that this is a tool. So here you will copy paste your HTML code here, and then if you click this button Minify HTML, then the minified version will be shown here inside this text area. So here you need to copy paste sample HTML. So I can just click on view page source here and copy all this HTML and paste it here. So you can see this is all the HTML that we have copy pasted. Now we need to minify it, so we will click this minify button and instantly your code will be minified. Here you will see, now this is a code here which is completely minified. You will see no spaces are there. The double quotes is also removed here, so this will significantly reduce the file size of your HTML. So I will highly recommend that you, if you are deploying the application or if you are deploying your app for production, you will minify your HTML code. So you can do this for any website. Let me go to uh, another website of mine, which is mute video. So if I again view page source, I simply need to grab the HTML code. So this HTML code can contain JavaScript, CSS, all that stuff. So it is not limited to HTML only. Your HTML can contain JavaScript, CSS. So then you need to simply, after copy pasting it, simply copy it, and here you need to paste it here. After that, click on minify HTML and then your HTML code will be minified. So this application I made in Node.js and Express. All the source code regarding this application will be there inside the video description. You can get all the source code by going to the my blog here, which is given in the video description. So this was the overall service that I wanted to share. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.